Let's update our ship class to listen for the pan gesture messages. When the user pans, we want our ship to move towards their finger. The user will be able to drag their finger around to move the ship. We're going to register for the pan events the same way we registered for the tap events, in onEnable and onDisable. Go ahead and copy and paste the code to register for the onPanBegan event. When the pan gesture begins, the ship may still be turning if there was a tap gesture right before. So we want to stop the turning coroutine when the pan starts. We're going to do this by implementing the stop turn function. This simply stops the turn towards point and shoot coroutine function. Next, when the pan gesture is held, the ship should move towards the touch. Let's first implement the movement method. Copy and paste the move towards touch code. Like we did in the turn towards touch function, we first convert the touch from pixel coordinates to world coordinates using screen to world point. We then apply a force in the ship's forward direction using add force. If we left it here, the ship would simply go forward in a straight line. To make the ship move towards the touch, we rotate the ship using a function called turn towards point update, which we'll implement now. Copy and paste the turn towards point update function from the code snippets. You might notice that this function is very similar to the turn towards point and shoot coroutine function. The main difference is that this function will be called every frame while the pan gesture is being held. This means that, rather than using a coroutine that rotates the ship all the way to facing the touch point, we're only going to move the ship a tiny bit each frame. Each call the turn towards point update will bring the ship closer to facing the touch point. We do this by using quaternion.rotateTowards, which will rotate our ship towards the end rotation by a small amount. The final step is to register for the onPanHeld event and have it trigger our move towards touch function. We do this in the exact same way we registered for the other events. Try running the game on a device. The ship still responds to tap gestures the same way as before. But now, if you drag your finger around the screen, you'll see that the ship will follow you. You've now implemented all the controls for your ship using simple and intuitive touch gestures.